I'm not getting drawn out by you today. I've had enough. You're gonna wish you never come to this Insta live. Turn your light on. Freeze challenge. Shut up. Shut up. Freeze challenge. Shut up. Freeze challenge. Turn your light on. Brother, your toilet roll is not meant to be in the fridge.
Suck your mama. Suck your mama, pussy.
Okay, show me the rest of the kitchen. Because I was looking for you to lap your fish, but I couldn't find it.
You know, this is my face, bro. You know my face, man. Stop being
No, I was looking for you to, because remember, you got a picture of your blue top, like you look like a tilapia, and like I was looking for that place, but I couldn't find it.
This picture look like a bad boy, innit?
Oh, so basically, this is your backup account, right?
Yes.
Oh, you're smart. So if you get hacked, you got this one to fall back on.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
All right.
Wow, you are so smart.
Yes, AC.
Because you know,
yes,
if you fall off 34,000K that you have, 35. You're going to get 34 again. 35. You're not going to. 35. Yes, 35. I'll give you 35. Okay. But if your Instagram was to get hacked right now, on my mother's life, you're going to get 35K
It got deleted last year. I come back. Yes, I said that again.
All right, let's do a challenge. Let's both delete our Instagram and start again.
Go suck your mama. Go suck your daddy. I idiot. Go delete you. Go suck your daddy. Delete your mama. Delete your what? Delete your pussy clap. Delete your fucking face. When me I say to you now, listen.
Oh, boss, I love you, bro. I love you.
Listen, the fight is on.
I love you.
You are pissing me off. The fight is on.
I love you.
Give me a date. Give me a date.
Brother, listen, forget that. Let's both delete our Instagram right now and start again.
No. You see? You're a madman. Me not gonna do what you do. You hear what you hear? Me not gonna do what you do. Forget back.
Because you know, as a tilapia that you have become, you can't get back up. For you, it's gonna be a knockout blow. Look, see if you delete your Instagram, yeah. Look, you're gonna be like this. Look, it's gonna be like this.
Hey, if you did that, you look ugly, though, no, brother. You're fucking ugly, no, dog. You're saying to me, you're gonna start.
You are not in a position to call anybody ugly, my guy. You are the first black man in the world, right, that has baby rush around your mouth.
The lion, man. How? The lion, man. There's pictures on my Instagram.
How? So basically, that means your face. You let big girls sit on your face.
You see, you say you're
No, wait. Look at the logic. Look at the logic.
Talk.
Not only you resemble like an ape from Planet of the Apes, yeah? But you got a baby rush on top of it. Yeah. On top of that, baby rush around your mouth. And they give you a long fucking sideburn. You are the only black man that I know on this earth. You're gonna play a fucking the most dirtiest song you can think of with your mother sitting in a passenger seat. But once upon a time, this woman carried you for 9 months. But because you want clout so much, world boss, you're willing to put your mom on the line. You've gambled with your mom. You put your mother on social media, and you're being disrespectful. That's how much you want fame.
Your mother. Listen,
that's how much you want fame.
Let me talk now. Your mother in Africa right now because you
she's in France.
Sell your soul.
No, she's in France chatting
Africa
shit.
today.
No, France.
Africa, your mother. Your mother there, Africa. I like you tell.
How can you tell me my mother is? That's how I know you're fucked. How can you tell me where my own mother is? Does that make sense, guys?
Hello.
Allow it, shut up, man.
Listen, your mama wear my old boxers in Africa, pussy. You hear me?
Okay.
You can't tell me nothing. When I said to your AC, yeah? When I said to you,
is that all you got?
You're blind. You can't right now.
Is that all you got?
Your survey
Is that all
right
you
now.
got? Is that all you got?
You know it's cool. Cool. AC. You know it's they're your best picture.
Turn your light on. Turn your light on.
No.
Turn your light on. Turn your light on. Freeze challenge. Turn your light on. Turn your light on. Freeze challenge. Piss me off. Shut up. Freeze challenge. Shut up. Freeze challenge. Turn your light on.
Hey.
Turn your light on.
AC.
I'm not getting drawn out by you today. I've had enough. You're gonna wish you never come to this Insta live. Turn your light on. Freeze challenge.
AC.
I'm not going nowhere. Freeze challenge. Everybody say freeze challenge. Everybody says freeze challenge. Everybody say freeze challenge.
Suck your mama. Now go for your blood.
Please, everybody. This is the person that wants to get 10 grand. Yes, you got 10 grand. Where's the 10 grand? Freeze challenge. Open your fridge.
Yeah?
Open your fridge.
Hey.
Look, he's putting bare stuff in his fridge. Look,
yeah.
he's putting bare stuff. Look, he's putting Weetabix box. He's putting stuff that not meant to go in the fridge. Brother, your toilet roll is not meant to be in the fridge.
Suck your mama. Suck your mama, pussy.
Okay, show me the rest of the kitchen. Show me the whole house. Show me the whole house.
Suck your mama, batty boy.
Show me the food. Show me the food. Show me the food you cooked. Show me the food you cooked. Show me the food you cooked. Alright, show me the food you cooked. Okay, next question. Alright, cool. Alright, you pass. Ding. Next.
Suck your mama. Lift up,
show me the food you cooked. Next challenge. Show me the food. Show me the food you're gonna eat today. Show me the food you're going to eat today, world boss. World boss, show me the food you're going to eat today. Okay, next. Okay, you pass the first question. You passed the first question. Show me the food you're going to eat today. Show me the food you're going to eat today. Show me the food. Show me the food. Show me the food you're going to eat today. World boss. World boss. Show me the food. Spaghetti. Show me the food. Show me the food. Look, Congolese, DRC in the cup. Semolina. World boss, Libola Mamana, yo. Show me the food you're gonna eat today. Akoboma, yo, pussy bombo cla. Yes. Show me the pot. Okay, batty boy. Okay, no, okay. Batty boy, yes. Matten in my pot. Carry matten.
Batty boy,
carry matten.
When I eat later.
Carry matten. Take it, shut up. Show me your pot. Show me your pot.
When I eat later.
Show me your pot. Show me the pot. Show me the rest of the house. That's the next challenge. You feel one challenge. Hey, don't turn the light off. Don't turn the light off. Show me the next challenge. Show me the rest of the house. Show me the rest of the house. I've got you, baby boy. You should have never come on my life. Show me the rest of the house. Show me the rest of the house. Show me the rest of the house. Show me the rest of your house, world boss. Show me the rest of your house. Show me the rest of your house, world boss. I got you. World boss, I got you. Hey, I got you. World boss, I got you. Hey, I got you. World boss, I got you. Hey, shoe challenge. Hey, show me your shoe collection. Show me your shoe collection. Hey, shoe collection. Shut up. Shoe collection.
Aye.
Yeah, shoe collection. Shoe collection. Shut up.
Let's buy them 2 times.
Okay, show me. Alright, that's one pair. Yeah, that's one pair. Alright, that's cool. That's one pair. Show me next one. Alright, show me next one. Alright, Giuseppe's, DRC. Show me the back. Show me the back of the shoes. Show me the bag of the shoes. Show me the bag. Show me the bag if you bought it. Show me the bag if you bought it. Show me the bag if you bought it. Show me the bag of the receipt. Show me the bag. Show me the bag. No, that's fake. That's fake. Look, Giuseppe's are not Giuseppe. I got you, my nigga. Show me the bag. Show me the. You did not buy that from Selfridges. Show me the bag. Show me the tag. I got you, fam. You should have never come on my life. I got you. You should have never come on my life. Show me the bag. Show me the bag. Show me the bag. Show me the bag of that shoes. Show me the bag of that shoes.
AC.
Show me the bag of that shoes. Fam, I just showed you Giuseppe's. Look. I just showed you Giuseppe's. Look. Show me Giuseppe's. And that's the bag.
AC.
That's the bag.
AC,
yeah?
sir.
Look. That's the bag. Look, that's the bag. Hold on. You're screaming too much. Screaming too much. Look. And that's the box. You see that? Look, that's the box. That's the box. That's the box. No. That's the box. Look, I've got the boxes. You only show me one pair. You only show me one pair, fam. You might claim you got money. You might claim you got money. You only show me one pair, fam.
How much is it in
you only show me one pair. Look, you only show me one pair. You only show me one pair. You will only show me one pair of shoes.
But one pair can buy your shoes.
You only show me one pair, fam. That's dead. You only show me one pair.
Giuseppe's are cheap, bro.
You only show me one pair, fam. You only show me one pair, fam. Fam, you show me one pair. Fam, you show me one pair, world boss. I'm Congolese, world boss. You can't fuck with me, world boss. You only show me one pair, world boss. It's not fair. Keep up, man. Keep up, world boss. World boss, keep up, man. You only show me one pair, my nigga, man. Keep up, my nigga, man. Open the boxes, man. You only show me one pair. It's not fair. It's not fair, world boss, man. Nah, bro, man. You taking a piss. You are really taking a piss, world boss, man. You taking a piss, world boss. You only show me one pair, fam. You only show me one pair, world boss. What are you doing, fam? What are you doing? What are you doing, world boss? World boss, what are you doing?
Yo,
show me your shoe collection.
AC. You know what it is?
Boss, I lie, world boss, man. World boss, you only show me one thing. You only show me one thing. World boss. World boss.
Let me talk.
World boss.
Let me talk.
Who's the real boss? Who's the real boss? It's not time for talk. This is not time for talk. It's action time.
Can I talk?
It's not time for talk. No.
Can I talk?
No.
AC, can I talk?
I don't work. I'm not part of the UN. I'm not part of the UN. I'm not part of the UN. I'm not a negotiator. You can't negotiate with me. You can't negotiate.
Can I talk?
You're fake.
Can I talk? Man got a 10 back turns. All now you can't reply. Now you're trying to show me some fucking Tesco shoes. Now suck your mother, AC. You're not back to the pussy.
Okay, cool.
Batty boy.
Where's the 10 bags?
Boy.
Where's the 10 bags now? Where's the 10 bags now?
Where's the 10 bags now?
Yeah.
We're gonna do 10 bag challenge today. At 6 o'clock,
yeah,
10 bag
right
challenge.
Right now. I did 6 o'clock. No, today, right now. Don't go to your uncle. Don't go to your uncle. No, don't go to your uncle. Right now. Right now. Right now. Now. No, you're a fraud. You're gonna call your uncle. I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna go bags right now. Show me 10 bags.
I look. Anything you show me, alright, cool. I done a 10 bag challenge before. Anything you show me now, I'll double it up right now. Go on.
Nah, that's your uncle's money. We both know
where
the money's coming from. We're both on the same team, world boss. We're both on the same team. Stop acting. Pass the ball, man. Pass the ball. Pass the ball, nigga. You know I'm talking the truth. You know I'm talking the truth, nigga. Pass the ball. Bust me. Bust me, world boss. Bust me the link. Don't eat by yourself. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. I would have spoke to the boss. I would have spoke to the boss. I would have spoke to the boss earlier. I would have spoke to him. Don't take the piss, world boss. Don't. Exactly. You're broke. I'm broke. Let's get money. That's it. Simple. Stop relying on other people's money. That's not our money. That's not our money.
I used to be broke. I used to be broke. Man done a throwback today. Let me say to you. Man done a throwback today on Snapchat when I was broke, wearing button down crepes. I ain't broke no more, bro. I've been unemployed. Big up everybody who's fucking employed. I've been unemployed for 7 years, living my best life. Batty boy. Let me tell you something, AC. You know, I'm not enough for me. What me I said to you now, give me a date, a realistic date, yeah, within the next couple of months, and give me a date for boxing. I'm gonna box you. Yeah? You wanna find
Show your mom's life. Show your mom's life.
On my mom's life, patting it up. Listen, right now, you know the figures. We go half on it. And I'll give you the ring anytime you're ready.
Chill.
Anytime you're ready.
There's so much aggression. This is not how you negotiate a business.
Anytime you're ready.
This is not how you negotiate a business. Relax. You're gonna have a heart attack. Relax.
Fuck what you're telling. Bro. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you.
Relax.
I'm ready for you.
I know. Relax. I know. Relax. Yes.
Make sure you're ready. Make sure you're ready. What I'm trying to say to you now.
The next challenge, yeah? The next challenge, take your top off. Take your top off challenge. Take your top off challenge. Take your top off. Take it off.
Take my top off. Fuck it.
Yeah, take it off.
I'm taking my top off. I'm taking my top off.
Take it off.
I'm taking my
take
top
it
off. You're going mad.
Yeah.
You want me afraid of, dog? What am I afraid of?
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
My top's off. What?
Back off to the wall. Back up against the wall. Back off. Back up.
What's man telling me? Back up. What's man telling me?
No. Back up. Do this. Do this.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Come on. Do that.
Fuck it.
If you're bad, do this.
Come.
Yeah.
Come.
Yeah.
Come. Look, man.
Don't do this.
What can man say? What can man say? What can man say to me? What can man say to me? What? My money's long. And DJ Khaled can show his test. Why can't I? My money's long.
I knew it.
What? What's man trying to say?
I knew it.
What's man trying to say?
I won. Man boobs.
What?
You've got man boobs.
Fuck the man boobs, bro. Fuck the man boobs. My money's long. AC. Man ain't shook. Man got money. What? Dickhead.
If people think I'm taking a piss by charging £20 to follow me, yeah? After I've managed to make World Boss take his top off, yeah?
Yeah.
And you've seen the world exclusive. Your man's got boobs.
Fuck the boobs.
He's got boobs. He's got boobs like same size of Alicia Keys. Same size of Alicia Keys.
Bro, fight me, bro. I'm ready. I'm ready. Bro, the man who fought, the man is this. Let me ask you this. The man who fought fucking.
You're out of breath, look. You're out of breath. You didn't do nothing.
Fuck that.
You're out of breath.
Listen, let me talk. Let me talk. Let me talk.
You're out of breath. You're out of breath already.
The man who fought, let me tell you this. The man who fought fucking fought AJ, yeah? He was fat. He knocked man out. Bro, I'm telling you now, let's go.
You lost. You're done out. You're done out. Shout out to my African. We run shit. Africa, we run shit.
You draw me out, and I went.
You run shit.
Man, drawed you out. Everyone, the Jamaican in there, said the Jamaican flag. Oh, fuck your chest.
I won. Look at my body.
Fuck your chest.
Look at my body. Show me your body. Back up.
Fuck your chest.
Back up. Show me your body. Look, show me your body, worldboss. Show me your body.
Show your chest. You're going mad.
Hey, bring out this muscle. Bring out this muscle. If you're bad. Bring out this muscle if you're bad. Bring out this muscle if you're bad. Bring out this muscle if you're bad. Bring it out. Turn to your cobra. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Turn to a cobra. Right now if you're bad. AC can turn to a cobra.
Cobra, you're a fucking steak. You look at informer boy. When you're ready.
Now it's your turn. Turn to a cobra. That's the next challenge. Turn to a cobra.
Ready, when you're ready.
Turn to a cobra. Cobra. Libolo na yo. Cobra, libolo na yo. Cobra, libolo na yo. DRC, libolo na yo. DRC, libolo na yo. Worldboss, libolo na yo.
Suck your mother now. AC, suck your mother.
Libolo na yo.
Hey, show me. You want me to show you? You're a fucking informer.
You
informer, but you want me to show you.
You're not even an artist. Look what I'm making you do. You're desperate right now. You're trying everything.
How are you beefing police?
You're trying everything.
How are you beefing police?
Now I've turned it to Trey Song.
How are you beefing police?
I've turned it to Trey Song.
How are you turning to Trey Songz?
I've turned it to Trey Song.
You can't fuck more girl than me.
Do you know why? Do you know what? Hey, do you know why I control you? Do you know why? You know I'm in control of your soul. Do you know why?
Why?
I made you take your top off.
I'm a bad boy. You're going mad.
No one can make me take my top off. No man on this earth. But I made you take my top off. That's what AC does.
No.
When the pressure bursts.
Man, listen.
When you're fake, eventually the whole world will know worldboss is fake. Worldboss don't have 10 bags. Show me the 10 bags.